Social etiquette, Yusuf Malik Gabal here. I'm sitting here, this is Dr. Zhu. And our question is here right now is why social etiquette is important for people to learn and why is it beneficial? Why is it important to learn?
As I mentioned in my earlier video, it's the art of behaving without offending another person.
Right.
That is social etiquette. If you offend another person with your behavior, then you are not within the parameters of social etiquette in an educated and an acceptable society that would accept that. So the art of behavior without offending people is social etiquette.
So why is it important in this country? Because we've been talking about this and you had some ideas and opinions. So and you said this is something which haven't been taught here maybe and people just don't know.
I think social etiquette is important in any country. You can find people who lack social etiquette in every part of the world.
That's right.
Probably.
Should that be built into school?
Well, it should. It starts with your training at home. When you're a toddler.
Yes.
And you take some messages with you, and when you go to school, then you perform in school, and the teachers correct you, and then you mix with boys and girls, and there you learn how to share and say thank you and please and all this stuff. So these are all part of training of social etiquette that is an acceptable norm in a society. But unfortunately, in a country where literacy rate is very, very low, and majority of our young people have not been to school, and so is the case with the parents. So obviously they haven't had the training of social etiquette. They need to be taught.
Thank God for mobile education now. We are making this video which will be available on mobile education services and on social media on Facebook. So everybody can use that and learn.
Yeah.
So this was our part two basically.
But make sure you translate it into Urdu because those people don't understand English.
Okay.
Or we can do this another time in
Urdu. Definitely.
And so those people can benefit. So I think starting with thank you and please is very important. So if somebody has done you a favor, say thank you. If somebody gives you a glass of water, say thank you. If somebody pulls a chair for you to sit, say thank you. And if
when you're asking something, say
please can I have this? So I think thank you and please is very important.
Very important. Thank you, Yusuf, and we are going to continue in Urdu and on other subjects on this matter. Thank you so much.
Thank you.